Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make DIY Mod Podge. Let's dive right into creating your own versatile craft adhesive and sealant. You will only need two common household ingredients: white school glue and water. This simple mixture provides an excellent, budget-friendly alternative to store-bought options, perfect for a wide array of creative projects. It is incredibly easy to prepare and offers fantastic results for all your crafting needs. You can easily customize your homemade Mod Podge to achieve different finishes. For a beautiful matte look, simply add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to every 1 cup of your basic glue and water mixture. Stir it thoroughly until smooth. If you prefer a shiny, glossy finish, just use the original 2-ingredient recipe. The choice of finish truly depends on the aesthetic you desire for your unique craft project. Applying your DIY Mod Podge correctly ensures the best results for your projects. Always use a clean foam brush or a soft bristle brush to apply thin, even coats. Avoid applying too much at once, as this can lead to bubbling or an uneven surface. It is crucial to let each layer dry completely, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes before adding another. Remember to clean your brushes with warm water right after use. Proper storage is key to maximizing the shelf life of your homemade Mod Podge. Transfer your mixture into an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, ideally at room temperature. When stored correctly, your DIY Mod Podge should remain fresh and usable for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Always give it a good stir before each use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.